Hello, my name is Mrs. Harrison, and I teach biology and applications of biotechnology. I am in room 804 in the FTA building. My email address is listed on the screen, aisha.harrison@cobbk12.org. Email is the best way to reach me. Okay, so biology is the study of life, and in biology, these are some of our topics. So we will learn about cells, evolution, genetics, ecology, organisms, and classification. And applications of biotechnology, students will build on what they learned in essentials of biotechnology, and some of our topics will include DNA, protein, gel electrophoresis, and just furthering those skills using the tools of biotechnology. So our classroom expectations that are that all students will be resourceful, be respectful, and be responsive, the 3 R's. We also expect our students to be on time, to come to class prepared with a mind ready to learn, to not eat or drink in class, and raise hands if they have a question or comment. Be respectful and compassionate, and stay home when they're not feeling well. Here are the grading breakdown for both courses. So for biology, you can see the grading breakdown. And biology is an end of course. So we will have an end of course exam that may account for 20% of the student's final grade. And typically our end of course test is in December. For applications of biotechnology, you can see the breakdown on the screen. Daily assignments are 10%, quizzes are 10%, our final is 10%, tests 30%, labs, projects, portfolios 30%, class participation, homework, employability is 10%. Communication is so important, so make sure your student has joined our class Remind. The codes are listed on the screen. I use Remind to send reminders about if we have a test coming up, if there's an assignment due. So make sure that your students sign up for Remind, and you are welcome, parents, to sign up for Remind as well so you can stay up to date with what's going on in our class. Also, I will utilize CTLS Learn as my blog, so important dates will go in CTLS as well. Resources will be in CTLS, assignments will be in CTLS, so CTLS will be very important. Students can also keep up with their grades using Student View. I already mentioned the Remind, and also I check my email constantly, so you can reach me by email, and students can also reach me by email as well. Here are the materials that are needed for both courses, so you guys can see what materials are needed for biology and what materials are needed for applications of biotechnology listed on the screen. If students need additional help, have questions, I have tutoring after school on Wednesdays in person, 3:35 to 4:05, and then I have tutoring virtually on Thursdays from 5:30 to 6. And typically, right before a test, I try to hold a tutoring session, but I always will send out a remind about that tutoring session. And so you can get more information about our curriculum and our standards on the cobbk12.org website. Parents, you can keep up and monitor your students' grade by signing up for Parent View. And if you need to sign up for Parent View, you can contact the school. And I mentioned Parent View already. And so you can get more information about what's going on at South Cobb by going to the website. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can reach me by email. I look forward to working with you and your students this semester, and have a good day.